Hello guys, and welcome back to another video. In this video I'll be recapping the trades for last week as well as the small account challenge. So as you guys know, I try to upload every single week, recapping trades and posting weekly watch lists. So if you guys want to get notified, make sure to subscribe and turn your notifications on. Now let's get started on the video. I am working on a indicator for SPY, so it's working out very well as of right now. It's based off indicators like the EMA, RSI, all of those kind of stuff. Very simple, and it's working good as of now. So let's start on the recap with MRNA. So we played the ascending triangle breakout on MRNA. So right over here, MRNA. Let's turn this off. And as you can see, we played this amazing breakout on MRNA, and I did make a video. So over here, as you guys can see, I made the video on MRNA, and right over here, as you guys saw, so let's skip right around over here. So right over here, as you guys saw, this was on the watch list. I alerted this play, and this was a very nice play. So right over here, great. So I actually did paper hand this. I sold it right around over here at 108%. This went well over 200%, so congrats if you held. Nothing wrong with a 108% gain, so I'm happy with that. The next trade was XLE, and this was off the cup and handle for the oil stocks. Right around over here was our entry right at the breakout, and as guys saw right over here, click this chart, this was our swing and a very nice 60%. And this week was pretty slow. I skipped Tuesday, playing the banks and everything, but for example, we had BAC, which ran very nicely. We had GS. So if you look right over here, we had this ascending triangle on GS that I alerted, and this was on the weekly watch list as well as the video. GS, BAC, and all banks ran. BAC hit our price target, and I missed the first day, so only 3 alerts for this week. However, I did start on the small account, and the first play was AAL and XOM. Now we were playing the gap on AAL, and again we did not enter the gap. If we look at the weekly, this was a very solid setup right around over here with this gap entry. So we only put in 10% of our account, and we cut it at minus 33%. So this was a small loss, and again, I'm not too worried about it, and our stop loss was solid. I made a whole video on the AAL and XOM trade, and I gave out the stop losses, and it kind of hit our stop losses. So right around over here, the trade plan for the small account challenge, and look at this stop loss. Amazing play. Obviously this will be an amazing play in the future, and definitely having high hopes for this play. XOM, we kind of got wicked out. It was kind of like a panic sell. So right around over here, XOM. So as you guys saw, this was a ascending triangle breakout, and we already had a massive cup and handle on the daily, so we kind of just cut it early on here. I mean, all the oil stocks kind of already popped. So VLO, we already saw this. XLE, and then SU. SU is going crazy. I made a whole video on why oil stocks will surge, and that is what happened. Overall, we were only holding Apple. So AAPL, amazing play. on Apple. And overall, very simple trade, recapping all the losses and the wins. I'll be doing the small accounts separate, so overall 100% win rate for last week, and small account will be separate. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. I'll be trying to post more educational content and road to 1,000 subscribers.